Okay, okay. Do you want me to get you? Huh? Come on. You want me to pick him up now?
Yeah.
All right, come on. Come on. There you go.
He follows you and everything.
Come here. There you go. There you go. Look at him. He's like, don't you let me down. Don't you let me down.
Circle back around this way.
You see,
Rub his head. Rub his head, Monica.
Let me see if he'll let me. He might be mad at me. Can I rub you, Emerald? No, he's looking at everything.